Can I take this home? I have a lot of food left. Can I take it home?
Of course. I can bring a box for you.
Thank you. The pasta is very good.
I am glad you like it.
Can I also take the salad?
Yes, but I will put it in a different box.
That is perfect. I do not want the salad to get warm.
No problem. I will be right back.
Please bring 2 small boxes if you can.
Yes, 2 small boxes. I understand.
Choosing the right boxes.
Here are 2 boxes. One is for hot food.
Great. Can the pasta go in the hot box?
Yes, the lid is strong and safe.
Good. I will eat it for lunch tomorrow.
The salad can go in this cold box.
Can you keep the dressing separate?
Yes, I have a small cup for it.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
Would you like the bread too?
Yes, please. It is still fresh.
I will put the bread in a small paper bag.
Perfect. Thank you for being careful. Packing the food.
Do you want all the pasta?
Yes, please. There is enough for 1 meal.
I will add the sauce on top.
Can you put a little sauce only?
Sure, just a little.
Thanks. I do not like too much sauce.
Now I will close the lid.
Is it safe in my bag?
Yes, the box will not open easily.
Good. I have to walk home.
I will put everything in one strong bag.
That sounds good. Paying and asking for tips.
Here is your food, and here is the bill.
Thank you. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay here.
Before I go, how should I keep the pasta?
Put it in the fridge when you get home.
Can I reheat it tomorrow?
Yes. Heat it for 2 minutes.
In the microwave?
Yes, but open the lid a little.
Good to know. What about the salad?
Keep it cold and eat it tomorrow.
Ready to go home.
Let us check the bag before you go.
Good idea. I have pasta, salad, and bread.
And the dressing is in the small cup.
Perfect. Nothing is missing.
Hold the bag straight when you walk.
I will. My home is only 10 minutes away.
That is good. The food will stay fine.
Thank you for all your help, Daniel.
You are welcome, Emma. Enjoy your lunch tomorrow.
I will. Have a nice evening.
You, too. Take care.